Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
The dot product is a second type of multiplication related to vectors. It looks like the vector AB times the vector CD. However, it's not multiplication and we don't say times. When you read this, you should really say the verb dotted. So it's the vector AB dotted with the vector CD. And how the multiplication works isn't that intuitive, but we do multiply the x components, AC, we multiply the y components, BD, and we add the results together. Notice, if we did this, we wouldn't result in a vector, we'd actually end up with a constant. For instance, if we dotted the vector 3, -1 with the vector -4, -2, we would have 3 times -4 plus -1 times -2, which would lead us to -12 plus 2, and we'd end up with a dot product of -10. I will point out one more time that our end result is not a vector. It's just a value that tells us a little bit more about the relationship between the two vectors.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.